Hello everyone. Today in this tutorial I am going to explain plinth area method problem. This is approximate estimations. This is a part. It's a one method in approximate estimations. So follow each step. Don't skip this video. Just follow the step by step. You will understand very well. Okay. First of all, you should read the question clearly. What he is asking. Prepare a plinth area estimate of a building with a total plinth area of 240 meter square. Given that, given that, okay. This is the these 466 steps are the percentages to have to calculate. First one is plinth area rate 9,000 for meter square, and extra for second extra for architectural appearance 1 by 2 percentage of building cost. Third one is extra for electrical installation 14% of building cost. Okay. Fourth one is extra for water supply and sanitary installation 5% of building cost. Okay. Sixth one is contingency 3%. Supervision charges 8%. Okay. This is a question. Given the question is this is a question, we have to follow and we have to calculate all the percentages and finding total cost of the building. So okay, now I'm going to find building cost. Okay. Okay, we have to find building cost. Solution. First of all, write given data. First one is plinth area is 240 meter square. Next one is plinth area rate. In the question is given 9,000. This is a plinth area rate is 9,000 given for meter square. Okay, 9,000 for meter square. Okay. Building cost building cost equals to building cost. Okay, building cost equals to area plinth area into plinth rate. Then you got plinth area is 240 into 9,000. You got answer. Two 40 into 9,000 is 21 21 00 21 lakhs. You got the building cost. Building cost. Then we have to find all the percentages. First percentage is Extra for architectural appearance is 1 by 2 percentage of building cost. Okay, we have to find. Here. Okay, architectural appearance is 1 by 2 percentage of building cost. Then 21 lakh 60,000 into 1.5. 1.5 is 1 by 2 means 1.5. Okay, into by 100. Now calculate the value which is comes in. Say here. Into answer into 1.5 by 100 got 32,400. 21 lakhs 60,000 into 1.5 see here 32,400. Now we have to electrical installation 14%. Electrical installation 14% of building cost. Now 21 lakhs 60,000 into 14% by 100. 14 by 100. Now 14% you got 3 lakhs 2,400. 3 lakhs 2,400. 3 lakhs 2,400 rupees. Now we have to find water supply and sanitary installation. Now finding water supply and sanitary installation is 5% of building cost. Then 21 lakhs 60,000 into 5 by 100. Now we got answer is 1 lakh 8,000 1 lakh 8,000 1 lakh 8,000 rupees only. Contingency 3%. 21 lakhs 60,000 into 3 by 100. Then you got 3% value. 3% 64,800. 64,800 rupees. We have calculated the 3% of the contingency charges. Now value is 64,800 for 3% of contingency, and the last one is 6% of supervision charges is 8%. Now 21 lakhs 60,000 into 8 by 100. Then you got 8. You got 1,72,800. 1,72,800. 1,72,800. Okay. Now we finding total cost of the building. total cost of the building. So we add we finding total cost of the building. So we need to add this all the values what you got in the percentage when you calculated. These all the values are we are calculating now. Total cost of building equals to 21 lakh 60,000 plus total cost of the building is building cost plus what you have done in this installation is now architectural value 32,400 plus electrical installation 3 lakhs 2,400 3 lakhs 2,400 plus water supply and sanitary 1 lakh 8,000 plus contingency 64,800 plus supervision charges is 1 lakh 72,800. Now the total cost of the building is 28 lakhs 40,400. The cost of the building is 28 lakhs for 40,400 rupees is happened for the construction of this building. This is a approximate estimation and this is a plinth area method. Plinth area method. This is plinth area method. Okay. If you like this video, please like the video and subscribe to my channel for latest videos. Okay. Thank you for watching this video.